my second staying and playing in video, and today I'm going to be making paper boats. They're super simple but also a lot of fun. And for paper boats, you can use really any kind of paper. You can use your cardstock, normal printer paper, or you can use paper. I have some, paper with some design here because it's a lot of fun. So what you first start off with is you get a square, and sometimes if you have something that's rectangular, you can just make a right triangle, fold it, and cut it apart, and you get a wonderful square. So I want the design to show, so I'm going to put the design on the bottom. You first fold it horizontally once, and you fold it vertically again once. So you get a little mini square, and then you just take one part of it. You take the right angle, like make a right triangle, fold that flap upwards towards the corner here, and fold this back, and make sure you crease it well. You have this little right triangle now, right? So now what you do is you put your hands here and you pull outwards. So you have like this diamond shape. And now what you can do is you can just, just pull outwards and fold and flatten, and you have a paper boat. And if you want to play with it, you can, of course, you can always, if you want to actually use it in the water, you might want to consider taping the bottom and the sides so it doesn't get wet and soggy and starts to sink. But overall, it's a very fun activity. You should definitely try this. This is a video that I took a while back, and it's of me and my sister kind of sailing our paper boats on a little backyard stream that formed. I would definitely recommend.
This is kind of fun!